What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. If you're not, welcome back, guys. Today we are changing out the exhaust on the Forester. She wants it a little bit louder. I ran across a dual-in-one on Facebook Marketplace, so we are going to swap it and see what this sounds like. She has the Q300 on it right now. It's not too much louder than stock, and we'll do a before and after start, and then we're going to swap it to this. And it's got the titanium tips, guys. Look at that. Very nice. Betty's looking good too. Got to get working on this too. You ready for a louder exhaust?
Yes.
And some titanium tips?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to get it up in the air and go from there. Alright, guys. This is a warm start. Alright guys, that was a start and a few revs just to have a little comparison. And then we're going to get this installed and fire it up with it on it. Alright, here we go.
You want to check it here?
Yeah, go ahead. Shake test. Alright guys, that means the car's balanced and isn't going to fall off. Doo-doo, doo-doo.
I look like a professional.
Huh?
I look like a professional.
Right. Doing a good job. One more. Alright, now you're going to pull that lever down slowly.
This lever?
Yep.
Slowly?
Yep.
Pull it down?
There you go. And that's how you set it on the locks. Alright guys, this is a better look at the Q300. Let's see how it's doing. We got a detent. We're just going to take these two bolts out. And this hanger. And that hanger. And there's a hanger on the inside too. Once we get it down, I'll try to get you a better shot. But we're gonna get on it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got the two bolts out of it.
Locked out and buried, locked out, scary, locked out, I'm locked out, I talk now, but I'm locked out.
Hey, let it slip away, left but then you came, all the same, nothing left the game, show 'em we don't play, it depends how you celebrate, kinda say complain with your ways, how you slipping while you still on center stage. Hey, wait, let it slip away, left but then you came, all the same, nothing left the game, show 'em we don't play, it depends how you celebrate, kinda say complain with your ways, how you slipping while you still on center stage.
Oh, I pretend that you're still in love, haven't heard from you in months. I can see the things that's on your mind, and you don't wanna try. Yeah, it drives me crazy when you walk away, yeah. Tell me all your secrets before you lock me out for good.
With you I will re-up, following the leader, had them cheap thrills but I don't wanna see ya. Left me like a Leah, keyed up on my Kia. This just then, baby, still my senorita. Baby, why you gassing it? I've been passionate, ravenous, I'm a savage. So tell him I admit it, I insist. I've been taxing them, see some gaps in it like this girl I adore, back and forth like it's Batman.
Locked out and buried, locked out, scary, locked out, I'm locked out. I talk now, but I'm locked out and buried, locked out, scary, locked out, I'm locked out. I talk now, but I'm locked out.
Ain't way, let it slip away, left but then you came, all the same, nothing left the game, show 'em we don't play. It depends how you celebrate, kinda say complain with your ways, how you slipping while you still on center stage. Ain't way, let it slip away, left but then you came, all the same, nothing left the game, show 'em we don't play. It depends how you celebrate, kinda say complain with your ways, how you slipping while you still on center stage.
Locked out and buried, locked out, scary, locked out, I'm locked out. I talk now, but I'm locked out and buried, locked out, scary.
Good. Does it really? Alright guys, we got it bolted up. We're going to do the first start and see what it sounds like. Ready? I like it. You can do it purpose.
What, no two-step?
I love it. Oh my god, I got 2 umbrellas. Oh, just kidding. Ready?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad.
right, guys, that was the install video on the dual-in ones on any 2014 and, well, actually it'd be 2014 to 2018 Forester XT. It's from the STI WRX. It works fine on it. Fitment's great, and it's a little bit louder than the Q300. So get your rumble on. It actually makes it sound. We did a quick hit. We'll get you some more when it's not raining and wet out. But just a quick little drive in it is in this video, and then which we're riding and talking in it right now, and it's not overbearing. And then you can step on it a little bit, and it gives you a nice little mellow sound. But we'll ride it for a little bit, see what it sounds like, and get you another video here soon with a little bit more running down the road when it's a better day. All right, guys, if you like this video, give us a subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.